show you short video about Isaac Newton. This is best ever idea, Isaac Newton. One day, he's under tree, and he's full of apple. And he's thinking about a science concept. Why apple can fall from tree? Find new concept about science. The video, can anyone know who knows about Newton? Okay, Alvina.
Okay, Newton law were discovered by Isaac Newton.
Yeah.
There are three laws, namely inertia, acceleration, and action reaction.
Okay, anyone know about Newton?
Apple.
Yeah, that's great. Apple.
Velocity.
Yes, velocity. Not like this.
Gravity. Gravity means gravity.
Okay. Now we know this is Newton. Yeah. And now it's time to experiment. We have three groups. The first, Siva, Tirta Dila. Second, Sherlina Amanda, Dimas Alvina. And three, Adesta, Yusnia, and Raka. Please make a circle with your group. Okay, in worksheet you can look QR code. This is for example the experiment. bracelet. Yeah.
I see.
You can look in QR code the video.
Oh yeah, yeah. Thank you, Miss.
Yeah.
this is di bundel-bundel, Miss.
No. You can look in PR 3. Experiment 3.
Hey, calm down, calm down, calm down.
Calm down, please.
Why you look? Why you?
Why? Where?
Very bad.
Why? Why?
Why you say?
Calm, please.
Hey! So lazy.
Calm down, please. Raka. Sit down. Sit down. Can you calm? Wow. Calm, please. Calm, please. Calm, please. Let's do experiment 3. Alvina dulu. Come here. Alvina dulu. Tusuk. Nih, Shalin, lihat pun. Dimas, come here.
Sini, eksplorasi.
Your observation this experiment.
Tusuk gak?
One, two, three, go. Okay.
Group 1.
Group 1 is
Pakai nama.
what?
One person to open this record.
This?
Yeah.
The position button is original.
Yes, correct. And one person your observation.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
It's fine because this is broken.
Oh.
Okay, everyone finished?
Yes.
It's time to present the result of the experiment and worksheet. Please group to the first.
Two, come on.
Yeah.
Aku iki surat aku itu.
Eksperimen 1, 2, 3 itu.
You just presentation of experiment 2.
Oh.
No. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
We are from group.
Group 2. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Okay guys. Number 1, experiment 1.
Okay.
This when potato is minus with knife and Miss Shiva. Shut up.
Shiva.
When a potato is appears with a knife and the knife is then struck, the potato will probably upward due to the reaction force from the knife. And experiment 1 about the law of inertia. Inertia and inertia is in on inertia and is an object at a rest will remain at a rest, and object in motion will continue to move with a constant velocity
Yeah.
unless acted upon by external force.
Okay. Experiment 2.
Iya, benar.
Okay, experiment 2. The acceleration of an object will be directly proportional on the total force action on the object. Will its mass will be inversely proportional on the acceleration of the object.
Okay, so the law of acceleration is this law describes that the force applied to an object will cause the object to accelerate in proportion to the force and inversely proportional to its mass.
Okay, when one object, if an object exerts a force on another object, then the other object will exert a force of the same magnitude but opposite direction on the first object.
Okay, the experimentally is the law of action and reaction. When one object exerts a force on another object, the second object will exert an equal and opposite force on the first object. Okay,
Okay,
that's
guys.
all.
Okay,
Thank you.
please applause to group 2. And next presentation from group 3. Yeah.
Go.
Group 3. Okay guys, we're from group 3. Experiment number 3 is if a balloon that has been blown up is not given a force of, there is no other force affecting.
Okay, next is express that an object will remain still or move in a straight line at a constant rate if no external force are on it.
Okay, applause. And the last from group 1.
Okay.
Please stand up.
Again, everyone, we are from group 1 and we present of the result for the experiment we did.
So, experiment 1 is write down the result of the experiment that have been carried out. So, the potato move from the bottom to the top as the knife is hit.
Yeah.
So, second is write down the result of the experiment 1 about the law of inertia.
The phenomenon of the potato receive when the starboard is carried can be explained by Newton's third law, namely the law of action-reaction. When the knife stabs the potato and is lifted, the force from the knife causes the potato to be pulled upward due to the contact force. The potato provides a reaction force, but because the knife is stronger and is moved, the potato is carried upwards. Thank you.
Okay, applause for group 1. After experiment, I want to tell you about relationship between force and motion. An object free to move will more and was acted upon by force, a push, pull, or twist upon an object, and it is often result of an interaction between two objects. An object free to move will move when acted upon by force. This is motion. Have to is inertia and velocity. Inertia is an object's resistance to change its motion, and velocity not like this. Velocity, the speed and direction of an object in motion, and acceleration from velocity. This is the change in an object's velocity. And I showed Newton's idea. Apart from gravity, Newton also explained how the balance of forces affects an object's movement. When forces are balanced, the object will remain in a state of motion, either at rest or constant motion. But when the forces are unbalanced, the object will either speed up, slow down, or change its direction. But what about other factors what we know as law of motion. And the first, law of motion, the law of inertia. When he does the experiment one about inertia. Objects in motion will stay in motion, and objects at rest will stay at rest, unless attacked upon by an unbalanced force. For the example, the golf ball will remain on the ground until the golf hits it. And you know what is it? Tuk-tuk. Yeah, are you from India? Yeah. The name is tuk-tuk.
Aja.
Yeah. Nengi aja from India.
Yes, Miss.
When riding a tuk-tuk in India, if the vehicle brakes suddenly, the passenger will be pushed forward. This shows that objects tend to maintain their motion unless there is a force that changes it. And this is an example for inertia tuk-tuk. And the second law of motion is acceleration. State that the acceleration of an object with constant mass is proportional to the net force action on it, and is it the same direction of the north. For the example, the car accelerates forward since the force due to its engine is greater than the friction on the road. And the third and last, the law of action and reaction. Every action force has a reaction that is equal in size and opposite in direction. For the example, on a rocket launch, the shuttle exerts a downward force and direction force on the same size pulls it upward. Okay, it's time to quiz. Are you ready, guys?
Ready.
Okay, I want to show you the quizzes.
Can submit the button, Miss?
Use the phone.
You can join with your friends.
Nanti sampai ya.
Let's go, Adimas, shall we?
Free in the
Start,
world.
okay?
Okay, Miss.
Who is tuh? Adik mas tuh? Adik mas tuh?
If ada sama dia, finish.
Ada satu nih.
Finish.
Oke. Anyone can give the conclusion?
Diva.
Me.
Bilang.
Oh yeah, okay.
So, the conclusion of our lesson today is force and motion are related because motion is result of force, and the motion of an object depends on the balance of force acting on it.
Okay, that's good. It's a wrap. Okay, it's so good. It's a wrap. Force and motion are related because motion is a result of force. The motion of an object depends on the balance of force acting on it. And the law of motion are three. First, the law of inertia, and the second law of acceleration, and the third, action and reaction. Okay, thank you for today. Before I end of the class, I wanna appreciate for you. You're so really great. Don't forget to doing classroom. Have a homework in classroom. And see you next time. And don't forget to study again in your house.